How to add video blur effect using DaVinci Resolve Studio. First of all, let's add our video to DaVinci. Drag and drop the video to media pool. Now add the video to video track 1 here below. Now right click on here and click on add video track. So we need to create a secondary video track. Now right click on the video, click copy and paste. Okay, now just drag and drop this video to video track 2. We need to align both videos, one above the other. So just move both videos like that. Okay, so they're both aligned. Now go to the section color. Okay, now in here right click on this node and go to add node, add serial. Okay, so on this node we'll be adding effects. Now right click on it and you can add the name, actually name it blur. Okay, now go to section called window here, click on it. Now select the shape that you wish to use. So I guess the best shape to use for the blur is circle shape. Now move the circle shape to the area that you wish to blur. So in this example I'm going to try to blur the face. Now adjust the circle so that it fits the area that you want to blur, just around the face area. Okay, now navigate to the section called tracker, click on it and click on track forward and reverse, and you can see now how the function works. It's actually tracking the face and it's adjusting the size of the circle. So if the target moves closer to the camera, it's expanding. If it moves away from the camera, it's shrinking. If the face moves sideways, as you can see, it's also adjusting the circle. Okay, so now what's left to do is go to the effects, find something called mosaic blur. So just drag this effect and drop on the node 2 blur. Okay, as you can see now the blur effect takes place on our video, and here you can actually also adjust some settings of the blur effect. If you're not happy with the blur effect, you can actually make it a bit harder, like I think about 29-30 is actually going to do a good job in blurring out the face. So let's see how this is going to look. Click play. Yep, that's not bad. As you can see, the face is blurred and the function works by automatically tracking the target. So we don't need to do anything. It's perfect.